Okay, so here you can see the insulated window coverings that go in, and this totally blacks it out. We have our sunshade here, and I have this just for some light so you can see, but there's the window coverings on the other front window. Then we have them on the back of the crew cab window, and then we also have them, let's walk through my little setup here. We also have them on the back. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make these window coverings. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here on this window to make the first template, what I did here is I got some masking tape. I put it on each corner, and I'm going to put the masking paper on top so we can begin to outline it. So you're going to want to pull it tight and hit that masking tape. Make sure it's flat. Come out and hit the masking tape on that one. Okay. Now we're just going to push it into the crease of the window. Then we're gonna get our marker, and we're gonna go right in the corner of where we need to cut it. And now we have the outline. We'll go take this out and transfer it onto the corrugated plastic to cut it out. Okay, so I'm going to take the same tape that I used to put on that window in the sliding door. I'm going to put it down here so that the paper won't move, and I'm going to place this over the very edge. So good. Alright, and with the X-Acto knife, we're going to cut around the perimeter. And we're going to go a little bit outside of the line, just so that we can get a perfect fit. And if we need to trim a little bit more, then we can trim a little bit more. Okay, now we can get that piece we cut and test fit it. Now we want it to fit just snug, so you can see we're a little bit big here. So we can now trim around the sides to make sure that it fits right in there and it stays in. We just want to make it fit enough that it stays in and it will stay there by itself, so that when we push it in, it won't need nothing else to hold, because these are rubber seals and we can just push it in and it should hold by itself. Okay, so what we're going to do here is insulate the window cover in. So we're going to put tape around here, around the corrugated plastic, to make a air seal, and that's going to be the gap between the two sheets of Reflectix that's going to go on each side, and this will create the air gap. So I'll put a seal around the perimeter of this plastic. Okay, so what I've done here is, with the corrugated plastic, put the masking tape all the way around to seal it. Then we put an X across it, and we did the same on the Reflectix. After cutting it out, put it all the way around the perimeter, and then put an X in it with the masking tape. And now we're gonna put the glue through the X. Now before the glue dries, we are going to put it on. Okay, so we have this first sheet covered. We're going to put some pressure on it and let it dry. So we have them all glued together, and this is basically what you want. You want the Reflectix and then the corrugated cardboard together, along with another sheet of Reflectix. And then we're gonna cover this with a fabric.